Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to make travel intro animation using text reveal effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So I'll be choosing video here and I will choose here video 1080p. And before starting I will request all of you to please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss another update from TLC Ventures India. So let's start with it. So first I will go to elements. Here I will write Vietnam and here I will go to photos and click on see all. After that I will just choose an image which will go perfectly with this intro and this photo. So I will choose this image. Okay, and after that I will write the text. Click on add a heading and here I will write Vietnam. I will just change the color to white here and after that just make it bigger. And I will go to effects and click on lift intensity to 100%. Okay, and after that I will just go to share and click on download and I will download it as PNG. Okay, click on download. Okay, the download is done. Now I will click on add page and just delete this page. This is not required now. I will just re-upload the image which I created here. So the uploading is done. Now I will just make it to the same size as the canvas and after that I will just come to elements here. Here I will write airplane. Go to graphics and here I will scroll down and find this plane. I will rotate it to 90 degrees. Okay, and I will make it bigger. Just make sure it is not touching the whole canvas, otherwise the effect would not be possible. So I will just drag it here and after that I will go to element section here and again I will just go to shapes and here I will just change the color of the shape to light blue and just make it more lighter. Okay, and after that I will just bring it here, make it bigger and just move it till here. Okay, and after that I will just add a shape again and this time I will just change the color to this light blue again and I will rotate it to 11 degrees. Okay, just place it here and cover the parts which are covering the wings of the plane. Okay, and I will duplicate it again I will make it to 11 degrees. That was negative 11 degrees, this one will be positive 11 degrees. Okay, so this one is done. Now I will just click on the plane, click on layer and bring to front. Okay, so after that I will just go to layers again, show layers, and select all the layers except the Vietnam layer. Okay, and after that I will click on group. Okay, I will just move it right here. Okay, and I will just ungroup it, and after that I will just make it bigger. Okay, okay, so I will use this layer, make it bigger, and then select all the layers and group them, and I will move it holding shift. Okay, and after that I will go to duplicate page, and now I hold on to shift again. I will just move the plane to my right and make sure some of the parts are here. Okay, so I will click on match and move, and I will increase the duration here. So the transition is working fine. Now I will add some text here. Make it bigger, and here I will use a script font. I will try Nexus script. Sorry, Olio script will be better. So I will just middle it and change the color to white again, and make sure you are aligning the text with the animation. So I will just put the text like it will be revealing the Vietnam just as the plane arrives. So I will just click on it and check again. Okay, so I will this one is done. Now I will work on animate. Let's see which one looks good. So I will just use this one. And let's see if it works fine or not. Let's try this one. So let's try without the reverse exit. So this one looks good. So this is the tutorial, and I hope you learned something out of this tutorial, and I will meet you in another tutorial another day. Till then, please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you like the most. Thank you.